Good morning, students. How are you? I hope and pray that you all are fine at home and please take your uh, geography book. Take your geography book, open page number 69. I'd like to go back a little bit on the point the distribution of the minerals. Distribution of the minerals. And in that, we have discussed about iron ore. We have discussed also about uranium and bauxite. But we have not discussed about the manganese. So today I'd like to discuss about the metal called manganese. It is useful. Its usefulness is extractions, where it is found, at what amount, and all that is given here. Manganese is used in steel industry. Manganese is used in steel industry in making paints, glasses, insecticide, batteries, chemical, bleaching powders, etc. So it is a metallic. Manganese is not a metal, it's a metallic. In India, its reserves are not so, but then it is second. That means in the world it stands second in its reserves. Reserves means how much it is found. It's quite lot. Manganese ore is exported from India. The other day I was discussing that India is exporting the ores, not the finished product. Actually, what would have been more beneficial to India was to export finished good rather than the ores itself. And so other countries are benefiting more than India. Generally, manganese ores are located near iron belt, near iron ores. Bulk of manganese is extracted from the mines of Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Goa and Bihar. Like iron ore, manganese is also extracted in Odisha from Kalahandi and all that. Here names are given. Please go through Bolangir, Koraput, Devhanga, Kanal, then Kanal and Keonjhar districts. These are of Odisha. This means more it is found in Odisha. Madhya Pradesh also is also. Major portion of manganese is generally extracted from the district of Bhandara in Nagpur. Bhandara and Nagpur it is rather. Though they are close, quite close. Okay. Among the other notable manganese mines in India, Udaipur in Rajasthan, then Gujarat, then Andhra Pradesh, and also Karnataka. All these manganese are also important. Right? Production of manganese is in recent years, and corresponding production in past years reveals that a kind of status quo remain in the production of the manganese. That is, it's more in export quality. It stands out. Due to the imposition of several restrictions in its export. That's why it is quite less. I said standouts. Production of manganese has not increased in recent years. So export of manganese has reduced recently. But other than India, there are other countries that produce is Brazil, China, Russia, Morocco, Ghana, and all these things. These are the countries that produce. This is about the manganese. Remember this, the use of manganese is in the metal field. that means in the industries, so that it to protect the iron destructions or rusting of irons and all that. Yes. And also in cosmetics and other chemical production, other chemical production is added. Gold. Gold is the most soft yellow metal. It's the most soft metal. It is chemically unreactive. It does not react. It is highly prized by people because of its attractive color, resistant to tarnish. That means it doesn't get tarnished, doesn't get old. Gold never gets old, and it is non-reactive. This doesn't react. That's why it is, even if it is attached to the skin, it does not react. It has no reaction. And so it is most used jewelries. Among the all other jewelries, gold is used most. Okay. Its rarity and usefulness and desirability makes it available more commonly. People like to have gold, and so it is, since it is little rare, it has become rare now. It's not plentiful. It is not plentiful. Therefore, people like to purchase gold, though it is costly. Most mined gold is stored as bullions. It is also, however, used extensively in jewelry, either in bullion. Bullion. What is this bullion? Gold or silver in bulk before coining or valued as weight. It's a bullion, stored in bullion. Okay, remember that it's a production. You can see here. In the biscuit form. Okay, in the biscuit form it is there. It is used in jewelry, and others also will see. Jewelry either in its pure form or in alloy. Alloy is the mixture with other metals. The terms karat indicates the amount of gold present in it. Here I would like to tell you, children, that gold purely it is not used. Pure gold is not very strong. You see, pure gold is not strong, and therefore to make it hard, little hard and durable, they mix it. They mix it. That is it. So that's why it is a karat. See, let us see. 24 karat is pure gold, but it is very soft, and therefore 18, see, it is reduced. 18, 14 and 9 karat gold alloy are commonly used because they are more durable. See that? More durable. I mean, if it is pure, it is not durable. It will not spoil, but what will happen is it will fall off. It will fall off. It is very soft metal. Okay. Next one is, it is also used in coinage, and has been used as a standard for monetary system in some countries. Gold can be beaten into very thin sheet, that is gold leaves, to be used in art for decoration and as architectural ornamentations, in its pure form, or it is in alloy, and also platelets. It is the gold water is used to make it shine. Other things like electroplating, that is called plating, that is known as plating. Electroplating is done to cover another metal using very thin layer of gold. This is used in gears for vehicles, so that it's not worn out fast. Artificial limbs, joint and electrical connectors. Gold is ideal for protecting electrical brake or electric copper components because it conducts electricity well and does not corrode. Corrode means it does not worn out, corrode, which would break or for the contact. Thin gold wires are also used inside computer chips to make a circuit. Dent is also used in alloy, in filling up in the teeth and all that. Gold is to treat some cases, arthritis and all that. Gold is used. Gold is one of the few elements to occur in the natural state. About 500 tons of gold mined each year. About 2/3 of this comes from South Africa. Rest of from Russia. The Indian reserve of gold is placed at 17.7 million tons. Most of the gold is extracted from Houthi mines and Ramagiri field of Kolar, Karnataka district. Then Anantapur districts of Andhra Pradesh in India. In China, South Africa, Canada, USA, Mexico, Western Australia, Zimbabwe and Ghana are other leading producer of gold. So this is the area where it is not much, but in India how much, what is that, what is the use of gold, all these things you please remember that. Next one is the silver. Silver is another valuable metal. Silver has been known since ancient times and it has a brilliant white metallic luster. It's a very shining thing. It is little harder than the gold and docile and maybe ductile and malleable. These two words, ductile and malleable, I am not going to discuss. You have learned in science and you should remember that. Ductile, what is ductile means and what is malleable means. It has the highest electrical and heat conductivity of all metals and lowest contact resistance. And so when heated above its boiling point, silver boils off as a green vapor. Silver boils and looks green. The vapor will look green because of its best thermal and electrical conductor metal. This is. So it's antimicrobial, non-toxic quality make it useful in medicine and consumer products. You will see that there are gold paper, the silver paper, wrappers and all that in the food items. You will see, you eat chocolate, no? So you know that. See, silver paper is used. It's a high luster is quite luster and reflectivity makes it perfect for jewelry. Luster means shining and it reflects, light is reflected, which that's what it is used in jewelry, silverware and mirrors. Its malleability which allows it to be flattened to sheets and all that, which allows it to be blown into flexible wire also. It's a choice, it's a best choice to numerous industrial applications. Meanwhile, its sensitivity has also prominent place in the film productivity. So, film photography. It is found because it is more abundant. Silver is much less in expense. So, like gold and diamond. Okay, so these are the things that I would like to tell. India is not a major producer of silver in the world. Jawar mines of Udaipur districts, Rajasthan, gets produced silver. The Tundo lead chamber of Dhanbad in Jharkhand district is another major silver producer. Some silver is also produced by Kolar, that is Karnataka. That is Bolivia is the largest producer of 12% of the world products. China, Poland, Australia are also. Next comes the copper. Copper you are very, very familiar with. You know what is copper. And it is the best alloy. It is the best alloy. It is in the both. It's a quite reactive metal. It is reactive metal. It reacts with chemicals and other things. It is used in manufacture of medicines. Wires, electrical wire is most used, and the machineries in the auto parts and all that is used. The state of Meghalaya, Sikkim, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh have copper deposits. The copper ore mines are found in Balaghat districts of Madhya Pradesh and Alwar, Junmur districts of Rajasthan, Junjunu. The largest copper beaten bearing extracted exists along with the Brahmani river of Bihar. The Democratic Republic of Congo is the world's largest producer of copper. Okay, then other things are there also. So please go through this and then try to understand about this. So we have metallic things. This is what I wanted to say, that little bit I have told. You can go through and point out some of the things that are there. Okay, till then, see you. Bye.